Yes, actually, let me mention him here as well. If you know a fat man called Jenkins, tell him, Spice Dianah Agambye, mind your business. Tell that man, sijja kwogera bingi, omugambe Spice Dianah Agambye, mind your big stomach and leave her alone. Please tag that. Ninebe move mabingi. Naye ndi muli ngamba, should I bring out the ghetto in me? Oba njira mulika. Anyway, bwakisussa. If he continues doing this, I'll bring out my other side. I'll bring out the ghetto in me. Alright? Oyo musajja has been, all over. For years now. 4 years. Ngamvuma. For what reason? I do not know. Because oyo musajja ndoza ali myaka jigenda mu 5. I think my father is also that kind of around that age. So simutya, but I respected him. But not anymore, because in Zenga Spice kulevo jendiko ne myaka jentuseeko, I feel like atanjagala simwetaaga nange simwagala. Angattako mumanyi era gwe mneeguya. Era gwe mpa respect. Atangattako and try to put my brand down. I'll deal with you, because you don't know how much I invest in. Gwe chomanyi kiri kimu just kutula ku platform joiner and you put people down. But remember, oli mu myaka egi sana okubanga you retiring. Alright? So stera kuyomba n'abantu, but I feel like siri nnyo muntu kati wakunyigirwa mu ttooke. You will talk about me onfiireko olowooze nja kusirika. Not always, not anymore. If I was that kind of girl, not anymore. So go gusajja ogwo Jenkins ogw'ekibuto, please tag him and tell him Spice Dianah is Spice Dianah regardless, with or without you. Naba musasula okunvuma okunteekako ebigambo byonna emitwalo 2 ge bamuwa. Tell him, in fact njagala bere mu video yange eya mind your business, I have an offer for him. Ngina muwa 3 million. Ajabere, that man I'm talking about, mind his business. One of the many. Kati yabere mungo gusajja gw'ekibuto ekinene bwe kiti. Kubanga bamusasula okunvuma sente ze bamuwa tezimwongera kati ndaba talina kyazikozesa. Because he's still on a border. Asiba mu kunywa buwala gibwasabiriza meanwhile. So tell him Spice Dianah is not the Spice Dianah of 4 years ago. Wavumanga novuma. Not anymore. First of all, zenjaga nnyo omuntu anvume mulinde ndabe if he's gonna do better than me. If he's gonna be a better person, but ndaba mwaka kumwaka is still the same old fat man with a big belly like this. But we tell you the motuke binonamu bimutoyi bimunonemu amasavu mu lubuto. Oh my God, this guy is too much. Mutoko Bolos, I'm not a presenter. He's trying to do his job as a critique and everything. No muntu akufiirako. Man. Toyagaliza business yange kuba bulungi. I'll deal with you. Not anymore. So, mukigambe ekyo ekisajja ki Jenkins. His name is Mukasa. Someone has mentioned. Eggaali etogiwona kiki yali entoddeko. Jenkins anvumidde emyaka egi. Nali neetoddeko Spice Dianah. Nga bwondaba nze. N'obwa Spice wange nali nvuddeko ki. Nsigala nkuba ebisaawe. Nsigala ndi fully booked. Nsigala endorsement zange nzikola. I'm Spice Dianah, darling. So kati eggaali ye okutula ku radio bawina gy'atudde n'anvuma. Njagadde mugambeko. Of course byayogera bina, it's none of my business, but I want him to know that I know, but he should mind his business. If he's talking about me and all these things byamberako, at least I'm making sure nti abifuna bamusasule sente ziri worth it. Naye okumuwa emitwalo 2 mbw anvume. Emitwalo 2. That guy. Bambi mumugambe Spice Dianah. Sirina gwentya. I respect people. By the way, nakuziwa with so much respect for people. Even with the ghetto in me. Ngezaako nnyo to respect people the way you come to me. Naye ate waliwo otukanga enough is enough. Enough is enough. First of all, nze manyi omuntu wangataka atanjagala talinjagala ebbanga lyonna. So meaning I do not care about who Jenkins and whatsoever he calls himself. Alright? So it's been a while nga sibira ku live ku Facebook, but I felt like this idiot needs to know that I do not give a fuck. And I know if he continues trying to tarnish my name like he's been doing 4 years ago, amanyi nti ntakyadiringa na Spice Dianah oli wa below 18. Alright? Achimanyi. Exactly. So Jenkins, what's other name? Zemanyi sajja kya ogubuto ogunene.